हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप? वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैथ्स पीरियड एंड आई एम किरण मैम. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 of exercise 3.2 of NCERT standard 8. Now the question is, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is of 165 degree? Now we are given with interior angle, we can calculate exterior angle because we know that to find number of sides we divide 360 degree by the measure of exterior angle. Therefore interior angle is equal to 165 degree. Therefore exterior angle is equal to 180 degree minus 165 degree, that is 15 degree, because exterior and interior angles are supplementary. Therefore number of sides of the regular polygon is equal to 360 degree divided by measure of exterior angle is equal to 360 degree upon 15 degree. So here we apply the table of 3 first. We get 125, then again answer is 24 sides. 24 sides. Now we are going to start with question number 5 of exercise 3.2. It has two parts. A part is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Now exterior angle is given, we have to find the number of sides. We know that sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Measure of each exterior angle, it is given 22 degree. Therefore number of sides is equal to 360 degree upon exterior angle, that is 360 degree upon 22 degree. After cancellation we get 180 upon 11, which is a fraction, which is not a whole number. So we know that it is not possible to have any polygon with number of sides as a fraction. So since 360 is not exactly divisible by 22, so we cannot have a polygon, have a regular polygon with exterior angle as 22 degree. Now B part is, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon Y? Now in A part it was given 22 as an exterior angle. Now it is asked whether it is possible to have 22 as an interior angle. So let us check. Now interior angle is equal to 22 degree. Therefore, exterior angle is equal to 180 degree minus 22 degree, that is 158 degree. We know that sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Therefore, number of sides is equal to 360 degree upon exterior angle, that is 158 degree. After cancellation, we get 180 upon 79, which is again a fraction, and we know that this is not possible to have any polygon with number of sides as a fraction. So again, since 360 is not exactly divisible by 158, so we cannot have a regular polygon with interior angle as 22 degree. Now the last question, that is question number 6 of exercise 3.2. It has two parts. A part is what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why. So here we have to find the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon. This sum we will solve using some facts. We know that exterior and interior angles are supplementary. Therefore, for minimum interior angle, we will have maximum exterior angle. So if we find maximum exterior angle, then we can subtract maximum exterior angle from 180 degree. We will get minimum interior angle of the regular polygon. Therefore, we know that exterior angle is equal to 360 degree upon number of sides. Now, in order to get the maximum value of the exterior angle, we need to divide 360 by the smallest possible number of sides of the regular polygon. So, maximum exterior angle is equal to 360 degree upon number of sides of the smallest possible regular polygon. What is the smallest possible polygon? That is a triangle. And what is the smallest possible regular polygon? That is equilateral triangle, and it has 3 sides. So we have to divide 360 by 3. So we'll get 120 degree. So the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon is 120 degree. Therefore, the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon is 180 degree minus 120 degree. So we get 60 degree. This is the answer of A part. Now B part, we have already calculated the maximum in exterior angle for a regular polygon. So we can write directly, therefore the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon is equal to 120 degree. This we have already calculated here.